There you go.
There we go. We're smudging on our way down. Some homemade smudges done.
So Chris and I is on our way to Sloquet Hot Spring.
Look at the fog over there.
You can really see the steam there. You'll see that? It's magical. It's pure magical. Smudging and blessing this place. Wow! Oh my god. Is it real? Like, you know, sometimes I wonder if it's real because it's just pure magical. No word to describe it. So fantastic out here. I'm living my dreams. Okay, Chris, what's up? It's a little bit steep here. Okay. There you go. There's the fall. A little fall. That's hot water. So we're almost there. Look at that. Holy moly. It's beautiful. So we're here. We made it.
Friends, it's Chris here.
Hi, Scare.
How you guys all doing this beautiful evening tonight? Here we are.
This look at Hot Spring up in, I got a little bit river or a little bit lake.
Yeah, it's like on a First Nations reserve. It's beautiful, peaceful. They call it the Spirit Walk here. And you walk here and you just feel energized as you're walking up to it. As you can see, we've lit some candles here. Okay? There are candles all around us, actually. all
And-
around the circle of us right
And
now.
you can see the steam of the water. It's really just lukewarm. Lukewarm or just
It's
warm?
pretty lukewarm. It gets
Yeah.
really hot where like the waterfall is. There's like a little bit of a hot waterfall there, but
Yeah,
it
we can
comes
show you
down here.
later.
Yeah.
We can show you later like a little tour, like how majestic it is here.
So we
Beautiful.
want to come to today. We talk about we're doing these. As you can see on our face, we're doing clay masks at the same time. We're nurturing ourselves today, right, Kara? We're
Yes,
taking care of
we are
ourselves
naturing
today.
ourselves today. Like,
Naturing ourselves, nurturing us, naturing
this
ourselves.
is a natural spa. Like we're out in nature. Like what else can you ask for?
Enjoying ourselves to the max. So today we're doing Nurture with Nature silk clay masks. This is like removing the toxins from our face. So the First Nations have used this for a long time to actually cleanse their body in and out. It's a beautiful, beautiful mineral. I love clay. I like using it. I also take it every day in water, just a little bit. Makes me feel energized. And we also like to do it on our face as well.
And also, I want to add something about this. Like I've been using this for a while, and I've noticed some really good change in it. Like it's supposed to tighten your skin. Like us women, we have like premature skin. And you put it on, if you put it on your face, for a couple of minutes, I guess 15 minutes, you put it on your face, and then it tightens your, like really tighten your face. Like you can really see the improvement. Like all the premature wrinkles are gradually gone and stuff like that, and it's really good. And after that, you're gonna rinse your face, and then put a special cream.
And the special cream that we have here is Face Food Nourish Nature Moisturizer Cream. And so this is Nurture with Nature Cream as well. So this totally nourishes your face after, energizes your face, and it has a beautiful smell to it. And you can kind of see it has like this kind of, you can't quite smell it, but you kind of, once you smell it and put it on your face,
And it's all natural.
It's
Like
all natural
I can
products.
read some of the ingredients. It contains oils of hazelnut, jojoba, calendula, comfrey, evening primrose, rose hip, vitamin E, rose water, and beeswax. Like rose hip is really good in your skin. Like it's full of antioxidants.
Yes, I love putting it on. I feel so good on it. So first what we do is we wash ourselves with like this kind of soap thing. And it's like also a clay soap as well. It's gotta be, then you do the clay mask and then you put the cream on. And it's a beautiful combination. You just feel so good. It just draws out all the toxins, balances your pH level. It's got a high negative ion charge, which draws out the toxins and encourages circulation. Such a beautiful thing to take every day. I can take it just maybe like a teaspoon in my water every day, my mineral water, my highly charged crystal water, and I feel really good inside. Energized and feeling great. It's a beautiful experience.
Yes, it's beautiful. I'm gonna give a good review of this one because I see lots of improvements. My skin gets really tighter and it's just amazing. You know, just keep using organics and nature stuff, and that's the way to go.
But it's good to be out here and charging yourselves up today. You know, you gotta remember, you gotta get yourself out. Even if it's only for a couple days or even for a night, you gotta get yourself out in nature and nurture yourself, right?
Yeah,
Spend
it's
time
true.
energizing yourself. It's a beautiful, can you hear that? That noise, that beautiful sound of the river?
Oh, yes, we're gonna give you a little tour later. You're gonna like it, guys. Like, yeah.
So I hope you enjoyed our clay masks. And if you're interested in this product, you can contact me at www.merakilight.com. And I will connect you with the person that is selling these products. They're beautiful products. I will probably have them on my page pretty soon as well. So thank you for tuning in.
Yes, thank you. Thank you so much. I hope you guys having a lovely evening tonight, and we're just here, out in nature.
Out in nature. Breathing in that good ass prana, right?
Yes. Oh, sorry, huh? Oh, sorry, guys. We cannot laugh so loud because this clay is really tightening up our skin. Like, we just can't laugh so hard. Hi friends! So, we're we're here on different spots of this hot spring.
Oh yeah, nice hot springs. Oh, nice.
We're still wearing our masks. We can't really smile or laugh right now.
Yeah, right. I can't stop smiling.
No, don't, because it's supposed to tighten your skin, and you have to be neutral for a couple minutes, like 20 minutes on it. So we're just gonna give you a little tour.
You can see right here, we got the river right behind us, right? Beautiful.
This is the hot spring that we have right now.
Very
Here,
hot
this
water.
is hot water.
Yeah.
And that's where we were earlier, over there, up there. And it's just here, look at that. Whee! As you can see, this is the water here. We're soaking in here, and then the river is
Just
there.
living in the moment, man. Just being free. You know, get out in nature. You gotta dive deep in nature too.
Yes, just have fun.
I live in nature. I work in nature. I play in nature. It's a place to be. I feel fully energized, balanced, neutral, great, in all levels. My whole being feels good. All my chakras feel good. My light body feels good. I feel great. Right? How you feeling when you're in nature?
I'm really charged, fully
really
charged, energetic. It's different feeling. You know, I feel like I belong here. I don't belong in the city. I'm just a bush woman. You know.
Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed our little video thing today, and we're glad that you just live in the moment, relax, and breathe in this beautiful time.
Beautiful.
Friends, here we are again. We're going to put the cream on now after we washed off the clay mask. This is our Nurture with Nature cream. And it has oils of hazelnut, calendula, comfrey, evening primrose, jojoba, rose hips, vitamin E, rose water, and beeswax. It's a beautiful smelling combination. What we're going to apply it now to Kara's face here. You can see I'm using this finger too. It doesn't have that much muscles into it, so it's very light and gentle in the skin when you're putting it up, and you're putting it into an upward motion here. Oh yeah, it smells great. Beautiful stuff. Wonderful on the face, especially out here. Here we are, it's called In Nature, so we're enjoying ourselves in nature with this beautiful product. Yes, I think I'm going to put some on myself too as well. But for me, I just kind of lather it up really quick.
Smells good. Smells.
Like for me, I just kind of put it on there really good for me. Up. Oh yeah.
Wow.
And I
feel
just feel
like
awake and rejuvenated and like, whew!
I feel like it tightens my skin. This mask is amazing, you know?
Beautiful. Okay, I hope you enjoyed that beautiful facial cream. Face food. Nourish and moisturize.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, thank you so much guys. I hope you enjoy our video. More trips soon. Right?
Right, indeed, indeed.
Okay, bye. Have a good night.